this, yeah, it's like that works.
Norman Cook, you've come a long way, baby.
This is the story of that album and the samples that we used to make it, as told by me.
Wednesday night at 9.
Radio 2.
There's the Norman, and here's the Rachel. Good morning.
Hi.
Yes, here we are. It's a little known fact, says Paul, that books published in small parts were called serials after Charles Dickens published his on the back of a cornflake box.
Oh.
Yeah, it's often, these things are often missed. And I heard you talking about Dickens' novels, says Paul in Norfolk. I recently read Great Expectations. Sadly, it wasn't all I'd hoped for.
Oh dear.
We're getting worse, I'm afraid.
M62 westbound, junction 19 for Harewood, junction 18 for Sinister Island. We've got heavy traffic due to an earlier accident. M1 northbound is closed between junction 20 for Lutterworth to 21 for Leicester. Congestion is back to junction 19 with heavy traffic on the A5, routes through Lutterworth and the M69 on the diversion route. M25 clockwise from junction 16 for the M40 to junction 17. 3 lanes were closed for an accident. They are all reopened, but traffic is queuing. Thanks to Mark, the Hemel chauffeur, for calling that one in. M20 eastbound, junction 4 for Snodland to junction 5 for Aylesford. The road is closed. Congestion is back to junction 3. A diversion is taking traffic onto the M2 and the A249 to rejoin the M20 at junction 7. That diversion is having a significant impact on the M2 with heavy queues in both directions. Due to a broken down vehicle from junctions 15 for Swindon East to junction 14 for Hungerford. The travel line number is 03700 100 200.
Thank you very much, Rachel. And now...
And here comes the number one.